Are too many women undergoing unnecessary surgical biopsies? A new study says, yes, that's the problem. Joining me this morning to explain is Dr. Philip Salem of Salem Oncology. We're so glad you're joining us this morning to talk about this because, as we know, breast cancer is so prevalent in women. I think the latest stats show 1 in 8 women will get it. So we certainly need to be aware of what the options are. What does a woman do and what are her options if she finds a lump in her breast?
If there is a lump in the breast, the usual procedure is a needle biopsy rather than a surgical biopsy. Unfortunately, some 300,000 women every year in America undergo unnecessary surgery doing surgical biopsies. The biopsy means a surgical incision in the breast, stitches, and then leaving a scar in the breast. The needle biopsy is cheaper, is safer. It entails numbing the skin, putting a needle into the lump, getting a small tissue to examine it under the microscope, leaves no scar, no stitches.
Now, I guess when a woman goes through something like this, she always wants to make sure that the latest studies are safe and that this information is correct. Would you encourage women that this is a study that certainly makes sense and that so many women have been studied that this is the safe way to go about it?
Sure. I think my advice to women that whenever a surgeon asks them for a surgical biopsy, they need to seek a second opinion.
So always good to do that. Can you explain to us what you're looking for when you're using that needle biopsy? Are you looking for cancer cells? What happens once you withdraw something from that tumor?
That tissue is examined to determine whether it is cancerous or not. If it's cancer, what kind of cancer? And if it is not cancer, is it an infection? Is it an inflammation? You cannot treat a patient before you make a diagnosis.
I think a lot of times women have to just speak out, for themselves in the medical world.
Sure.
What if a doctor suggests a surgical biopsy? Should a woman question that, or do you always listen to your doctor's advice?
No, I think a woman should question the recommendation of surgical biopsy and should seek a second opinion.
So always best, again, to ask, why are you doing this perhaps? Why do we need to do the surgical biopsy?
Sure.
Versus something that is less invasive and not going to leave a big scar?
Absolutely. Of the 10 times when there is an indication to do a biopsy, we need to do, out of the 10 times, 9 times a needle biopsy, and only 1 out of 10 should be a surgical biopsy.
Dr. Philip Salem, thank you for coming in today and talking to women about this and just letting them know what their options
Sure.
are. It's always good to pick through these studies and see exactly what they mean to each individual.
Sure.